Give me a whiskey. Ginger ale on the side. And don't be stingy, baby.
Well, shall I serve it in a pail?
I like to see down to the ground. Gee, I needed that bad. All right.
Sure. You look all in. Have you been on a bath?
No, traveling. Day and a half on a train. Had to sit up all night in a dirty cold stew. I thought I'd never get here.
Where'd you come from?
St. Paul, out of Minnesota.
Minnesota? Then you're the...
All the way from Minnesota, sure. Hey, what are you laughing at? Me?
Oh, no. Sure, kid. No, I was thinking of something else.
Well, I wouldn't blame you at that. I guess I do look rotten. I'm just out of the hospital 2 weeks. I'm gonna have another drink. What do you say? Will you have something on me?
Sure thing. Thanks. Larry? Larry! No service here.
Same for me.
Same here.
Sit over here. Let's be friends, huh? I'm a dead stranger in this burg, you know.
Sure thing.
Let's go. Here's how, huh?
Here's luck.
Left your smoking there, won't they?
Sure. Throw it away if you hear someone coming.
Well, ain't they fussy in these dumps?